Six Flags. This is a company I'm a little bit more embraced with. Six Flags, they took a nosedive down to the trough of the roller coaster this morning after it missed expectations on its quarterly earnings. CEO Salim Basoul, however, did say that the company is seeing a return to solid growth trajectory in attendance, revenue, and earnings. Shares down 0.4% right now. And I was taking a look at this report earlier today, and one of the things that pops out to me, and the timing is great around this. You had Disney last night give us a little bit of the insights around their parks and resorts business. Ali Canal broke that down for us earlier in the show. And now you got Six Flags reporting this morning. They said that delighting their guests, of course, continues to be their number one priority. But there is so much investment that this company is making. They're sensing challenges, and you kind of hear that coming through the management team right now. They're investing significantly in park infrastructure and beautification, quite different than liquefaction. And they've introduced an exciting lineup of new events. And so it'll be interesting to see where those events perhaps catch hold with some consumers. Park experiences are not cheap. And so if you're thinking about a consumer that is being more cognizant about where that's spending, even if it is in the experiences economy, where that spending is going, is the first dollar that you're thinking about spending going into Six Flags, or is it going elsewhere in that experience?
Well, it's a spectrum, right? Because
Sure.
we learned it's not necessarily going to Disney World in Florida. So
Right.
if you're not traveling, maybe Six Flags is closer to you and you're spending on that. What the company did see in the quarter, attendance did rise by 6%, but that was a smaller increase than estimated. As always with this kind of thing, weather's also a factor, and that's something that the company pointed the finger to as causing some headwinds for them during the quarter. As you mentioned, they did tout some upcoming events. They have stuff around like Halloween, for example. So they're going to be trying to push.
Always fun.
I think there's a Boo Fest, a Fright Fest.
They changed it?
I don't know.
It was Fright Fest when I was growing up, I think.
Now I have to look at their press release
Boo
to
Fest.
see what they called it.
They should save that one for Valentine's Day.
Boo Fest, Kids Boo Fest, Oktoberfest Food Festival, Fright Fest, and Holiday in the Park.
Yeah, Boo Fest should be a Valentine's Day thing.
Boo Fest is
Drive some
also
off-season
a
stuff.
Curious George movie that was a beloved one in my household, with my kids when they were growing up.
Interesting.
Yes.
All right. Well, we'll see if people go into the park and they spend more during Boo Fest. As of right now, though, during this most recent quarter, total guest spending per capita was actually down 3% year over year.
Yeah.